Prego, share what's inside.
There it is! SpongeBob's house! Oh, I finally get to meet the hero! Whoa!
Hello! Are you okay? Is that...
Mister, are you okay?
SpongeBob!
No, it's just me, the guy in the penny.
How did I get here? Where's SpongeBob? Ah, who am I kidding? I'm never gonna see SpongeBob.
Hardly. You can see SpongeBob everywhere.
See?